Hello everyone, my name is Akshat Chore and continuing with hashtag DrGViswanathan's challenge, question number 104, convert sorted array to a binary search tree. This is easy level question basically. So there's not much to talk about in this question. Matter of fact is you're given the sorted list and you just need to convert that sorted list into an array. Binary search tree, balanced tree, not balanced tree, binary search tree. There's a difference between binary search tree and balanced tree. Okay, so anyways, again, space and time complexity is good, space complexity is not good. So there's not much to talk about in this question, and just 6 more questions for our goal. So thank you for watching the videos, and I will keep doing the question and posting the videos. Thank you.